if you are new, welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with a video for y'all. So today, babes, we're going to be doing my lashes because as y'all can tell, I don't have no lashes on my face. Very much bald-eyed. So what we're going to be doing today is taking these strip lashes right here, and I'm going to be cutting them and doing them like individual lashes. But yeah, I had wanted to know, like, is this even a thing? Like, do girls do this? And the girlies do this. So we're going to try it this way this time instead of doing the individuals, which we did the last time. We did these last time in the little trio sets. So this time I'm just gonna take some lashes, like literally a whole strip of lashes, and I'm just gonna cut them and then we're gonna glue them on to our lashes. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. I don't want it to be super long, so let me stop talking. So the materials that you're gonna need are obviously a pair of lashes that you want, scissors to cut them. I recommend those like tiny little scissors or like hair scissors, but these are the only ones that I have, so I'm gonna be using these. And then next you're gonna need some glue. This is the INV from Kiss glue, the black glue. And of course you're gonna need some tweezers. I recommend the tweezers that have like the hook on it where they kind of like curve, but these are the only ones that I have right now, so we're gonna be using this. And then lastly, I just got a bunch of these little mascara wands, and I just use these to kind of like brush the lashes. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So these are the lashes that I chose. I got these from Amazon. They're super cute. And this go around, I just wanted more of like a fluffier look. So I chose these. They're super duper cute, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna turn them so that way you guys can see like how wispy they are. So yeah, these are the lashes I'm gonna be cutting up. Okay, so as you guys can see that I'm just literally cutting them where there are gaps in between. And the important part about this is keeping it in order. So you can see right here that I'm forming the lash from the start and then the finish will be here. I don't think I'm going to use the whole entire strip. However, I do just want to make sure there is enough to make sure that it's full in the way that I want it. And so this is why you definitely need smaller scissors. I just feel like it's a lot easier because these are so like big and just bulky. So it's kind of making it hard for me to cut because I'm trying to have like decent cuts within the lashes. So yeah, that's all I'm doing is just cutting them in increments and trying to keep them in order. Trying to keep them in order just because you want them to basically flow the way that it does look on the actual lash. You want it to look like this on your face. So I'm just trying to keep everything in order, which seems to be very hard at this moment. All right, so that is the whole lash right there. The next thing that I'm gonna do is take this packaging and take it out. And I just need a place to put my glue. So I'm just gonna use this, I'm actually just gonna use this to put my glue. And so I always start with like a little dot just because the glue tends to dry fast, so you don't want to like put a lot and then it's gonna dry up and you can't even use it. So we're just gonna start with that much right there. Now that I did the setup and everything, now it's time to start gluing it onto the lashes. So I have the glue here, y'all saw that. So what I'm going to do, I like to start my lashes in the middle. I don't know why, but I like to start mine like dead center in the middle. So being that it's in order, I can see the order that they go in. So I'm gonna take a lash from the middle and do mine. Now, if you need to go from beginning to end, then you do that. But I like to start mine in the middle and kind of just build on that. And so you take the lash and you just dip it, it's like lightly dip it. I wouldn't coat the whole entire lash. And you see how fast this glue dries up? It's ridiculous. So all I'm doing is getting glue on the top part and then wiping off the excess. Wipe off your excess and then you're going to fan it. I do this because the fumes can burn your eyes. It can make them sensitive or watery, and you don't want no red eyes. I just feel like if you have lashes, your eyes should not be red after you applied them or whatever. So I fan mine out a little bit just to get some of that smell off of it. And then you're gonna take your eye up and just kinda, and you're gonna glue it at like the base. So what I do is take the lash and just lift it up like my real lashes and put the fake eyelash kind of at like the base of where my eyelashes start. Don't exceed that line because then you're gonna be putting it like in your eye. Don't wanna do that, you're gonna irritate your eyes and they're gonna be red. So yeah, just do it like that. And then I kind of just hold it there for like 10 seconds. And then you can hold it open, because I'll hold it open and then I'll take an object. I don't know why, I just grab like anything that I see around and kind of just fan it so that it can dry. Yeah, these are so cute. I just have a feeling that these are about to be so bomb on me. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing the same process, and in a little bit I'll come back. Looking a little crazy, but as you can see, the lashes are pretty much done. So what I'm doing with the extra pieces, because I feel like you're gonna have like 3 to 4 pieces left over if you're doing it the same way. And it's also based on your eye shape as well. So I had a few pieces left over, and all I'm doing is basically like stacking the lash and making them a little bit like fuller in some areas and kind of just filling in gaps where I feel like there are gaps. So this one right here, I'm just gonna take it and add it to this little bunch just because I felt like it was a little thin in my opinion. So what I'm doing is just doing the whole process, and then I'm just holding it there for like 10 seconds. To make sure it catches on with the others. And then I kind of just take my tweezers and close them, and then just kind of go along where I applied all of them. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. And this is all of the lashes now that I have used. And yeah, let me, the lighting is so bad. But yeah, this is the first lash. So yeah, I'm gonna take this lash and cut it up, put it in order, and literally do this whole process again to this eye here. But yeah, this is the finished first one, and then I'll just come back and show you guys the finished look of the lashes. I'm gonna be completely honest and say that this took longer than I thought it was going to take. I don't know if it's the glue or is it the brand of lashes that I'm using, but this strip method is kind of annoying to me because I just felt like it wasn't catching on like these lashes here. I used these last time, and I used the trio one of these last time, and they both were from I Envy the Kiss collection. So I'm not sure if that's why it's not like catching like it's supposed to. But yeah. So I've just finished this eye, and I just wanted to turn the ring light on so you guys can see the finished product, because this is pretty much the end of this video. So yes, this is how the lashes look. I like this side more than this side. They are a little different. But yeah, overall, I really like them. I think they're really cute. I would definitely do this method again, but I'm just not understanding why the glue kind of takes longer to catch on. But I would definitely do this method again. I just need to figure out, is it the brand of lashes that I had used or what? I would definitely do this again, and I definitely highly recommend, simply because you don't have to make the fans yourself, and I just feel like it gives you that wispy pretty look when you just use the pre-made lashes. That way the style is already intact and you just glue it on your lashes. So yeah, I hope these last for a while. I do have some things coming up soon, so I want these to look cute and I want them to last. So yeah, I think they came out good. It's only my second time ever like doing lashes myself, so I think I did a good job and I like them. So this is the finished results. Not perfect, but really cute, and it gets the job done, and I saved my coins and I didn't have to go spend $150 to get a set done, period. So yeah, this cost me $0 because literally I already had the glue, the tweezers, and all of that, and then I had these lashes just sitting around, so literally cost me nothing to do my lashes today, versus if I would have booked an appointment, it would have been like, what, $80 to $160. I don't know what these girls are charging, but like $80 to $180, and I did this for the free. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my lashes. I hope you guys try this out for yourselves and save your coins, baby, because y'all know on this channel, I'm all about saving your coins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you will be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content. I'm definitely gonna be taking some Instagram stories with these lashes. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.